Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic, the French 75. Now we're going to make this cocktail with a twist. I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. Alright, let's go. Alright, so this recipe calls for gin. I'm using Empress, simple syrup, sparkling wine, and fresh lemon juice. Alright, so we're going to build the cocktail in the glass. We're going to start by adding 1.5 ounces of gin. Half ounce of simple syrup, the sparkling wine, and finally 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make a French 75. Now if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up, and if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!